Congratulations! You have completed the core content of this comprehensive Python programming course. Take a moment to acknowledge how much ground you have covered, from the very basics to advanced application development tools. This lecture is a quick summary of your journey and a thank you. 1. Reviewing your journey, Python fundamentals. We started with the Python basics, setting up your environment, understanding core data types like lists, tuples, and dictionaries, and learning control flow statements like if-else and loops. You then gained strong foundational skills in organizing code using functions, modules, and decorators. 2. Learning object-oriented programming. You successfully navigated the entire OOP paradigm, learning how to build complex, maintainable applications using classes, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. These skills are essential for large-scale, enterprise-level programming. 3. Advanced application skills. Finally, you moved into practical, specialized areas. You learned how to handle errors gracefully with exception handling and logging. You gained knowledge with I/O operations, threads, networking, and vital data tools like SQL, MongoDB, and JSON parsing. 4. Data science and modern frameworks. The final modules equipped you with highly sought-after industry skills: data manipulation using NumPy and Pandas, data visualization with Matplotlib, fast application building with Streamlit, and robust data validation with Pydantic. These tools make you job-ready in the data domain. Your journey has just begun. Thank you for choosing this course. In the very next and final lecture, we have a small bonus to wrap up the course. Our final lecture, 43.02, Bonus Lecture. See you there.